What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tire shine spray. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Stoner Car Care More Shine Tire Finish. The Stoner Car Care More Shine Tire Finish is the last product on our list, but that doesn't mean it's not a great choice. Stoner is an American brand, and they make their tires shine right here in the United States. Not only is it an American product, but it's extremely easy to apply and does a great job. It provides a UV barrier to help protect the tires, and it does a great job at giving your tires the exact shine you're looking for. It's a professional level shine that you can control simply by pointing and spraying. There's likely no product that's easier to apply, since all you have to do is point and spray, but this also means you have to be extra careful about overspray. There's absolutely no sling though, so you don't have to worry about making a mess after it's on the tires. Finally, we wish that there was more than just one size option to choose from, but for an easy-to-use spray it's not a major concern. It's not our top choice, but it's far better than many of the other choices out there that didn't make our list.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Miguiars G13919 Hot Shine Tire Foam. Spray tire dressing, cleans, shines, and protects in one easy step with hands-off application. Glossy tire shine. Thick, active foam powers through buildup to reveal a deep, black shine. Easy spray foam. Convenient and easy-to-use foam that stays where you spray, then dissolves clear for less mess. Simply spray and walk away. UV protection. Conditioners and UV protection help keep tires looking like new. Lasts for weeks. With water-resistant polymers, the shine lasts for weeks on end.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Miguiars Endurance Tire Gel. Protects and shines tires. 1 16-ounce bottle of Miguiars Endurance Tire Gel and tire dressing with advanced macropolymers and copolymers that endure through washing and rain for a high-gloss car tire shine that lasts for weeks. Rich gel formula. Gel eliminates runs, drips and overspray for an even, consistent shine. UV protectant. Miguiars Car Tire Shine protects tires against UV damage and browning to keep them looking like new. TOUs. Apply a medium amount of tire shine to clean, cool tires using a soft cloth or foam applicator, then wipe off excess. High or low shine. Apply a second coat of tire dressing for higher shine, or wipe off immediately for less shine.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Stoner Car Care 91094 12-ounce More Shine Tire. Restores and enhances color and shine. Stoner Car Care's More Shine Tire Finish 91094 adds a deep, dark luster to tires without making them slimy or greasy. It restores tires to a new finish and adds a protective UV barrier. Quick drying. NO Sling Tire Spray. This auto tire shine is engineered to dry on tires without needing to buff or dry them by hand. It will not run or sling onto the vehicle's paint and will not brown tires. Fast and easy to use. More Shine Tire Finish is fast and easy to use. Simply spray it on, and that's all. The long-lasting formula will withstand several rains and will not attract dirt or grime. 75 years of excellence. Stoner Car Care has been selling car tire cleaner products and other automotive cleaners to dealerships and automotive professionals for 75 years. Our car tire cleaner is formulated by Car Guys, for car guys. Made in the USA, we formulate, manufacture, and distribute our own products in the USA, unlike our major competitors. We take pride in using superior ingredients to provide our customers with exceptional car care products.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Blackmagic 5072647 Tire Wet Gel. Advanced silicone formula lasts longer and shines brighter for a wet, black, glossy look. Self-healing formula automatically fills in small scuffs to maintain shine. Weather and rinse-resistant formula lasts up to 8 weeks. Thick clinging formula adheres to tires to produce minimal sling. Applicator sponge included.